Have you ever been around thunder snow?
I haven't. I know we had some here in central Indiana a few years ago, that day after Christmas when we had the really heavy snow.
Right.
A few viewers did report it. I've never been lucky enough to hear it. But I think there's also a point when Jim's been out there so much during this Boston snow, something different to say other than it's heavy snow just makes it really exciting. But thunder snow is something to get excited about.
Pretty good stuff. So again, most of the snow that we're seeing is south of I-70, southern Indiana getting it.
In terms of the really heavy snow totals, yes, but I'm still worried about slick conditions here at home because temperatures are in the teens, not really going to warm up much as we go through the rest of the day. So I want to give you a view of where the snow is falling. The magical divider, the million-dollar question, Scott. Why always I-70? That's where the snow is falling. Along and south of I-70, that's where the heaviest snow is falling right now. Do want to give you a wider view really quickly because the heaviest snow right now through portions of Kentucky, hitting Louisville, and you look back off to the west around St. Louis, well, that is going to be the snow starting to taper off. So what's happening right here at home? We go to live Doppler 13 radar. The darker blue is going to be the heaviest, where we're seeing the heavier pockets of snow. Right now, we have that from Greenwood to Fairland, right along 74 from Shelbyville, also around Franklin. If you're traveling I-65 south today, especially if you head further south around Seymour and Austin, you're going to run into some very heavy snowfall totals, especially when you consider that's where some of the heaviest snow is coming in. We're getting great snow reports from portions of Greene County, also around Bloomington and Columbus. I want to give you this view in downtown Indianapolis. It doesn't look like much here, but it's enough to really make things slick because temperatures are only at 12 degrees. Winds out of the east-northeast at 8 miles per hour, giving us a wind chill that feels like 0. Maybe not a lot of snow in Indianapolis, just under an inch right now, but look at Trafalgar, about 1 to 2 inches of snow. Bloomington, 3 inches of snow. Seymour at 3 inches of snow. But definitely as you start to head towards Lawrence County, we've had multiple reports of anywhere between 5 to 7 inches of snow. Could still tack on another maybe inch or two to those totals that are in our far southern viewing area. Check out this picture from Troy Guthrie. About 2 inches in Ellettsville with light snow still falling. Our husky loves it. You can almost see that dog smiling there. Dogs seem to love the snow. For us, not so much when we have to do a lot of shoveling, but winter lovers, well, you've got it today south of I-70. Winter weather advisory in effect in the purple until 7 o'clock. The winter storm warning is in effect until 7 o'clock this evening as well, though the snow should taper off before then. By 5 o'clock this evening, looking for about 1 to 2 inches of snow along the I-70 corridor just south from Martinsville to Bloomington, Greensburg, Shelbyville, 3 to 5 inches of snow. And again, that area that could see about 5 to 8 inches, a few places. Few totals higher than 8 inches of snow are going to be from Bedford to Seymour, continuing over towards Cincinnati. So that's something that we're going to continue to watch with those higher totals just to the south around portions of Louisville. We're going to continue to keep watching this as we go through the next really few hours as temperatures aren't moving much. 12 in Indianapolis, 10 in Muncie, 13 in Bloomington, 10 in Kokomo, but you put in that wind chill, feels like the single digits almost everywhere. This afternoon, temperatures only up to a high of about 16 degrees. Those higher snow totals will remain to the south, and Future Track 13 doing a great job showing that we'll have a couple of waves of snow showers as we go through the afternoon. Really starts to clear out by 6 o'clock. It will still be slick out there, however, because temperatures tonight are going to fall very quickly, especially as skies start to clear. Down to 7 degrees tonight, a few flurries, gradual clearing. Areas that have higher snowpack like Bedford about 2 degrees, Nashville 3 degrees tonight. Peru, you'll bottom out at 7, and then as we go through tomorrow, well, we'll eventually warm up a little bit for Tuesday, all the way up to 20 degrees. Not ruling out a chance for some flurries tomorrow, but as we go into the 7-day forecast, much colder air is heading our way. Wednesday, a high of only 10 with a wind chill sub-0 all day. The coldest day Thursday, start off at 3 degrees below 0. That wind chill on Thursday, anywhere from 10 degrees to 25 below 0 for what it feels like, warming up with a chance for a few snow showers for the weekend. Scott?